everyone, this is Yoo Mi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the soy milk. I have the soybean here. You can see that. You can buy the soybean in any supermarket. Last night I took 1 cup soybean and I soaked it in the water overnight. And here is my soybean after soaking overnight. You can see it's very soft. Now I'm gonna rinse it and split the skin. After rinsing and removing the skin, I have very clean soybean here. Now I'm going to cook it. You should cook it in medium heat for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to blend the soybean. I like to mix it with almond. I use 1 cup. And the sesame. I use 2 cups of water. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Finished. It smells so good. Now let's pour it into the bottle. I use a colander to filter the residue. And here is my soy milk. You can see that it's very delicious. The soy milk is very good for your health. It provides a lot of nutrition and you can drink it in the morning every day. And this is my recipe to make the soy milk. Hope that it's helpful for you to make the soy milk at home. Please subscribe Yoo Mi Cooking for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.